So we're back again. I've put another question in the comments. I need to make code that will show percentages of 213. I want to show 50%, 80%, 12%, 3%, 125% of 213. Since 213 is a whole number, you will see something odd, right? So first thing I'll do is I'll put in this 213 int. I'll call it I value, good enough name, 213. I want to work out percentage of this, so I'll say int, T together, there you go, I percent equals I value. So I'm going to take this and work out a percentage. One way of doing it, and it's the way I was taught at school, is to divide by 100 and then multiply by what your percentage is going to be. So I'll say 50. And that will work out 50%. So I percent holds the answer of this 50%. So let's see it on the screen. I'll just put in, nice and easy, I'll just put in I percent. I could put a message in there, but I'll just want to see what happens. So let's execute this to see what appears. Now according to this, it's 100, which if you're any good at percentages, you'll know is not 50% of 213. 213, 50% of it is half of it. So half of 200 gives us 100, right? But when we're doing this, it only said 100 there, and that's really strange. But we'll accept that at the moment, but we know it's not perfect. It's not exactly right. Now you work out the rest of the percentages. Let's try the 80%. What I'll do is I'll copy those two lines down and change that 50 to 80. So that gives me 80% and it shows on the screen. Let's execute that. Oh, an error message. I've not really discussed this yet. It's given an error message here in that new line I put in on around about line 11. Let's look at line 11. Here it's there. I can see my mistake, but I haven't actually said anything about it yet. When you're creating one of these places to hold information, one of these variables, you put the name of the variable type in front, in this case an integer, so int. But if you've already done that once before, you're not allowed to do it twice. So that's why I have to take that piece away there. Let's execute that again. Now it says 160, and again that's not exactly right. That's not exactly 80% of what I'm looking for. I'll do all the rest now. I'll do the 12. I change that to 12 after copying it. Change that to 3 after copying it. And then this one obviously 125, which is basically more than 213. It's looking for 25% more than already there. Again, I'll execute that. And again, it gives me answers, but in reality, none of these answers are perfectly correct. What's happened is this. Integers are whole numbers, and I've said 213 is a whole number. But the minute I start dividing using the divide sign, it gets confused, right? Because it doesn't work in decimals. Integers don't have a decimal number. So it starts to exclude values it doesn't see the point of. So in reality, all these answers down here, what's happened is Java has removed the idea of decimal places or fractions and used whole numbers instead as far as that's concerned. Now, that's not what I really want to look for. I would look for something slightly different. I want to see it working so I can see the actual real values of it. So let's go up and change this slightly. 213, yeah, it's a whole number, but I want to do something else. Change, spell that right, int to double, which works with fractions and decimals. There you go. I'm going to make two small changes. Where it says int, I'll change to double, there and there. So I've now changed it from integers, no longer a whole number. Double represents fractions or decimal points. So when I see my answers coming up, they should now be different from the ones we have down there. So I shouldn't see 100 for a start, I should see something better than that. Let's execute it and see what we get. There, I see 106.5. Now 106.5, if that is 50% of the number should have been 213. There it's there, 213. And that's what's happened. That is 50% of 213, that's 80%, etc. Notice all the points, all the values after the decimal point, it just tells you the exact value you can get to as close as it can. right? So it hasn't rounded them down to 2 points or 1 point or 7 points. It just shows its best answer. So 266.25 is 125% of 213. So double gives you that fractional or decimal value, so you can see the actual true answer, which is quite handy. So we now have double for decimal points or fractions.